Probably you are using AI coding tools the wrong way. By jump straight into code and then spending hours and hours fixing what AI misunderstood. And you are blaming AI for that waste of time and inefficiency. In this video, I will show how Cursor's plan mode changed that by forcing alignment, scope, and control before a single line of code is written. Currently, my application does not have the ability of editing a bill. So, after creating a monthly bill, I cannot change a thing. And this is what I want to implement right now. So, in Cursor, you create a new agent and you have the opportunity on an option for changing that from agent to plan mode. That is the feature that allow you create detailed plan before writing the code. And this is what we want, right? So I put here my request, my requirements. It's pretty simple prompt. I don't created a long prompt with a lot of details. I'm just telling the agent what I need. That is ability for editing bills with some constraints. For example, just editing when the bill is pending, so paid bills cannot be edited, and some instructions of that. And on my experience, having a plan mode built by Composer One, that is Cursor's agentic coding model, it's been pretty nice. So I'll change it from Auto and select Composer One model and asks Cursor to build a plan for me. So it can take a while. So let's wait for the plan being built. So as you can see here, Cursor finished the plan, and it's interesting how he planned to do things. He explored files, he explored and reviewed structure of the project, and then creates the plan, right? And delivers to us a markdown file that contains the full plan. And this is what I like from Composer One model, that is always think broadly and add details of the implementation. The overview understanding and everything that he understands that needs to be done in order to accomplish this task in a very detailed way. And of course, most important thing in here is the to-do list, right? So you can check out everything, and after that, you can create application or create your future or build or write code, right? So I highly recommend that every time that you have a plan like that, you review it in details, right? And of course, change if needed, put more requirements or adapt, adjust to some refinements on that. It's very important. And this is the beauty. You don't need to accept that plan. You also can throw this plan away, change your prompt, and request a new plan. Every time that you want to do that, you can. But in this case, I will check it out, and if needed, I will change something and request a build. So give me some minutes, and I will check it everything. Very good stuff here, right? Testing considerations, so very good. So looks good. Let's check the to-do list. So the plan looks fine for me, right? So I want to build this plan. So before I hit the build button here, something that I really recommend you to do is to save this plan to your workspace. So on this button here, you can save, or you can save by clicking here on the create plan on the agent mode, right? So I'll go here, save it on my workspace. So now it's save it, and it always creates a file under cursor plans folder on your project. So you can track this by Git. And then let's build it. So looks like the build is done. So let's check it out. So I will run the project. It's running. So I'll go to my browser. I have the magic link to login. And here we go. We have the project running on my machine. So looks everything's good. I can edit, right? So let's see. I can edit. Looks good. I can change category, gym edited. Let's pay a little bit more for that, and I can hit save. So gym is edited. The values are always changing correctly. So let's change it. Cancel a bill. So okay, it's not working. Oh, it's not working the cancel because I didn't run the migration to add a new value. So I'll go to the Supabase database and then I run it. Okay, now it should work. So let's cancel this testing and yeah, remove it and it's canceled, right? Pretty nice. Looks everything is here. So that's it. Plan mode is working well. You can change a bit. You can keep iterating with the agent right now. So for example, here, if I wanted to remove this from this list because it looks like he didn't implement it well, I can request this canceled bills. Bills should not be in bills list. So filter that to show the list. So that's good. You implement it and that looks good. Okay, good. Looks pretty nice. Let's see. Dating application, and there we go. No more cancelled bills over here. Cursor's plan mode is playing a very important role on my daily basis. So I always use it first to allow the model to better understand the problem because I give more context, more things to think about it before implementing or writing any code. By doing that, I want a result that I have fewer iterations to build something and usually more accurate the results. Something that is important for me at least is to have control, so there's no hidden decisions or wrong assumptions when I am doing the plan first, and I can see the full tasks breakdown, and I always can check if the plan makes sense, right? So for Cursor's plan mode, there are some gold tips also. Use it before writing any code. This is mandatory, of course. I highly recommend it to use it for complex or bigger tasks. Every time that you have something more complex or something that requires more attention, do the plan first. Check everything, review the full plan, and make change on this plan. It will make your life easier. So save your plan on your workspace. I always doing that because it creates a better documentation, became part of your project, and other team members can also check it out how things were decided, what were the decisions, and how it goes, right? So cursor plan mode has been a really good part of my daily basis, and I'm also using it alongside some MCP integrations with Jira or GitHub projects to help engineering teams to have a better view of user stories and tasks to accomplish sprint goals. I'm using it to help teams to break down tasks and to think broadly in the problem as being very nice also. So that's all from my thoughts on cursor plan mode. So see you soon on the next video.